Hello, World Wide Web. We have a stock update on Meta Platforms, $206.01. It is winding out to the end of March. We're down 7.86% in a year. Can Mark Zuckerberg's recover? Boy, he was down around Christmas, November, Christmas. Everybody was laughing at his artificial intelligence unit, which I guess he's closing down as fast as he can. Is he? I don't know. I guess we're going to find out. Big comeback for the last month. Nice comeback for 5 days, rallying with the markets. 1 year, and of course, the 5 year. Well, it started out, everybody already knew it was a home run. And we got up to a lot of money. Was that a 5? Good Lord, $576. 376. That was the high. And then back to 206 with a low of 90 bucks. Did I say 90 bucks? Let me make that bigger. Oh my God. Yeah, this thing just hit 90 bucks. And now it's back to 206. Just like that. Wow. The thing doubled in like a month. Wow. What the hell happened? Wow. Stock collapse, a record setter with an earnings meltdown. WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger suffered downtime. Meta Platforms shares surged 70% on Q4 revenue beat, while profits fall 55%. Wow. Profits fall 55% and the stock goes up. Wow. People really care about a revenue beat. I don't know. Let's take a look at what it looks like. We might not see it. Here's year over year what the company's done. Looks like it finally leveled off as a company. The hyper growth story looks like it came to an end finally. Seeing a lot of these companies from 39 million to 23 million in profit for the year. Big difference year over year. Quarterly profit just going down every single quarter. Yeah, they're just losing more and more of their profit as time goes, and their revenue lines, recovered back again. There's that revenue that went back up again, and I guess everybody likes that because they think this is going to come back, but it didn't. They did the same 4 billion a year, 4.65, 6 billion, 7 billion. I mean, they're a profitable company. Quarterly, it looks like that revenue beat might just be meaningful, but and when you miss the profit line, I guess that's just missing the analyst estimates, which doesn't really mean much. It just means the analyst was wrong. Earnings per share, $1.76. Man, that's an expensive stock for that earnings per share, considering they're not going to grow anymore like they used to. Balance sheet. Yeah, one big strong dog all the way across the board. Again, you don't see this growing. It's not like they're flowing growth into this thing. If they weren't growing up on the top, well, the revenue's obviously not growing anymore, and not even quarterly. But yeah, and the other thing that's not growing is their balance sheet. Quarterly, it went up a little annually, maybe a little bit. Their debt went up a bunch. That's that Meta debacle, and drove everybody nuts. They were such a perfect little company, and everybody was mad that they made a mistake. $40 billion in cash, 185 million in assets, 3 billion shares outstanding, $1.86 a share earnings per share. I don't know. What do you think? The PE is at 25. Does a company that's not growing deserve a PE that's 25? I don't know. Are they growing anymore? Maybe by essence of acquiring other companies and things that they can grow. I think Facebook's about done. I think that AI thing that you strap on your head for the video game thing, yeah, I think that was a flop. In 2 years, that'll be such the yesterday toy that nobody bought. It'd be like the Cabbage Patch in 1995. Everybody's like, "Yeah, you're a little late with this one." Meta platforms. I don't know. Not looking so good. Not looking so good at all. I don't like the diminishment of their profits every single quarter, and even on more revenue, less profits. Well, they do run a very on an advertising model, I guess, for the most part, and people are going to do less advertising in a recession. So I think that's what they're going to experience. So they're doing less sales of their advertising, and that's what this is probably all comprised of, is the revenue for charging advertisers. And they got some of that back, but at a discount. So that's Meta. That's where they're at today. They're not going anywhere yet. You should have bought it at 90. Next time it hits 90, grab a few shares. Let this be a lesson to you. Let's hope he does something stupid soon and it goes back to 90. This is still a hell of a company. Thank you very much, and please like the video and subscribe to my channel. More stocks to come.